Ferrari Classiche. The Ferrari legacy and racing history dates back as far as 1947 and continues to captivate hearts around the world. Continental AutoSports is dedicated to keeping the original Ferrari passion alive today with our professional restoration of these beautiful and rare pieces of automotive art. It is our goal that the Ferrari vehicles that have lasted the test of time remain in or return to their pristine operating condition for driving enjoyment, just as they left the original factory in Italy. The Classiche Certification Program is the ideal way to provide any classic Ferrari owner with the restoration, technical, and maintenance assistance to preserve their vehicle. The Classiche Certification Program provides certificates of authenticity to officially attest to the legacy of the car. The Red Book and Classiche badge certified that the Ferrari factory in Maranello confirms everything is original, authentic, genuine, and completed. Official Classiche certification enhances the value and provenance of these vehicles for current and future owners. Classiche certification available to road cars over 20 years of age, Ferrari Limited Series cars, and Ferrari competition cars, irrespective of their age. If your Ferrari is 20 years or older, protect your investment by making an appointment with the Officina or Italian Workshop. Contact Continental AutoSports to verify if your Ferrari is eligible.